Every single day, McDonald's serves millions of chicken nuggets across America, but almost no one sees what happens before they reach the box. And the process is far more precise than most people expect. Today, we're stepping inside the American food system to see how McDonald's chicken nuggets are made, from farm to factory, from raw chicken to golden nuggets, all at an industrial scale that runs nearly nonstop. And later, you'll see how thousands of nuggets are shaped, cooked, and frozen in just minutes. It all starts with chicken, specifically white meat chicken. The chicken comes from large American poultry farms, where birds are raised under tightly controlled conditions. Once they reach the right size, they're transported to processing facilities. Here, the meat is carefully separated. Only specific portions are selected for nuggets. Nothing random. Nothing improvised. The goal is consistency. Same taste, same texture, every single time. But this is just the beginning, because what happens next transforms raw chicken into something very familiar. Inside the processing plant, the chicken moves into massive stainless steel machines. These machines grind the meat into a smooth, uniform mixture. Everything here is automated. Speed stays constant. Temperatures are carefully controlled. The chicken flows through enclosed systems designed to keep it clean and fresh. Sensors monitor the process in real time. This isn't a kitchen, it's a precision-driven production line. And once the texture is exactly right, the mixture moves forward immediately. Because timing matters here. This is where things start to look familiar. The chicken mixture is fed into high-speed forming machines. These machines press the meat into the iconic nugget shapes. Each shape is carefully designed. Same size, same weight, same thickness. The machines work incredibly fast. Thousands of nuggets are formed every minute. They drop onto conveyor belts in perfect rows. No hands involved, just controlled automation. But the shape is only the foundation. What gives nuggets their signature bite comes next. The shaped nuggets move into the coating line, and this happens in stages. First, a light batter is applied, just enough to help the breading stick evenly. Then the nuggets pass through cascading layers of breading, fine crumbs, carefully measured, evenly distributed. Machines gently tumble and turn each nugget to ensure full coverage. Nothing clumps, nothing is missed. This step defines the texture, the crunch, the familiar outer layer people recognize instantly. But the nuggets aren't fully cooked yet. What happens next is critical. After breading, the nuggets move into large industrial ovens or fryers. Here, they're partially cooked. This step sets the coating. It locks in structure, and it prepares the nuggets for final cooking later at the restaurant. Immediately after pre-cooking, the nuggets are rapidly cooled, then flash frozen. Flash freezing happens fast. Very fast. It preserves freshness, it maintains texture, and it allows nuggets to travel long distances without losing quality. Once frozen solid, they're ready for the next phase. But before anything leaves the facility, it must pass strict checks. Quality control is built into every stage of production. Automated systems check size, shape, and weight. Temperature is monitored constantly. Trained inspectors oversee the process. They ensure everything meets established food safety standards. Any nugget that doesn't meet specifications is removed. No exceptions. This isn't about speed alone. It's about repeatability. The same nugget experience, whether you're in California or New York. Only after passing inspection do the nuggets move forward. The frozen nuggets are packed into large, sealed bags, then boxed for shipping. From here, they enter a nationwide distribution network. Refrigerated trucks, carefully planned routes, precise timing. The nuggets travel from processing plants to regional distribution centers, then on to McDonald's restaurants across the country. When they arrive, they stay frozen until they're cooked fresh in store. From factory to fryer, every step is synchronized, and most customers never see any of it. From American farms to high-speed factories, from raw chicken to frozen perfection, McDonald's chicken nuggets go through a carefully controlled journey long before they reach your tray. Every shape, every coating layer, every step designed for consistency at massive scale. So the next time you open that familiar box, you'll know exactly what it took to get there. And once you understand the process, you may never look at a chicken nugget the same way again.